Yes, friends. So I've just talked about that these 30 tithis, first 15 are of bright half or Shukla, okay, Shukla Paksh. They are known as Shukla Paksh or 15 bright half, 15 days of bright half. Because this whole month of moon or lunar month or moon month or lunar month is divided into 15 plus 15 means total 30 days. These 30 tithis, so first 15 tithis are put into bright half or that is known as Shukla Paksh. Second half, second 15 tithi or second half is known as dark half or known as Krishna Paksh. So Krishna Paksh or dark half, when moon is just diminishing its light, that's why it's known as dark half, because moon is moving towards sun. Towards sun means it's going to be towards sun means it's going away from the earth. So from the earth, when moon will be in between, sun's light will be hidden from earth. If we see the moon, so moon is in between sun and earth. So from earth, moon will be looked from this side as dark one. So this is dark half. That means moon is moving towards sun. Okay, or moon is not moving towards, because earth is moving around the sun. So this one is in its orbit. Earth is moving in its orbit around the sun, but moon is rotating the earth because it's satellite of earth. So when moon is moving towards sun like this, okay, or we can say it like this, because this half is going away from sun and coming towards sun, okay, or we can take half this is going towards sun and going away from sun. Okay, so that may be taken. So in this way, so 180 degree or 0 to 180 degree is going away from sun. So we can take like this. This is 180 degree moving away from sun and moving towards sun. Okay, 180 degree to 360 degree and 0 degree to. If I take 0 degree here, from 0 degree to 180 degree coming towards this is straight line. 0 degree to 180 degree. So moon is moving from 0 degree to 180 degree, going away from sun, moving towards sun. Moon is moving towards sun. Sun is suppose in between, and earth is in between, and moon is moving like this, okay, around the sun or around the earth, and earth is moving toward the sun, because like this, suppose in between sun is here and earth is moving around it in elliptical orbit. This one elliptical orbit. Okay, so in that way, so moon's position towards sun or away from sun is deciding about tithis, moon's tithi, that I have already talked about. These tithis are 30 tithis. First 15 tithis are of bright half, and second of Shukla Paksh, and the second half is of Krishna Paksh. Now come to the types of tithis. So if I put here, let me rub this hole. Okay, so these tithis let me now remove, and then let me talk about what are the Nanda tithi and all these tithis. That will give us the proper way of thinking about. So what is the Nanda tithi? How tithi is calculated, that I have already talked about in this. Now let me just talk about that, how to calculate what is the Nanda tithi, Chha tithi, Vriddhi tithi, etc. Okay, that will give us the complete information. So this is calculation of a tithi. Tithi is equal to moon's longitude minus sun's longitude divided by 12. Whatever it comes out, quotient plus something, that quotient plus 1, that will give us the number of tithi. Suppose this is 2, 5 upon 12. 2 and 5 upon 12 means this is third tithi is running. If it is 13, 12, okay, if we are dividing 12 and it is 13 plus something, that means 14th tithi is running. If it is 15 plus something, again 16th tithi, or this is first dark tithi. First pratipada or pratipada of the dark half is running, because this is 15 plus something. Okay, so if I divide this difference of longitude of moon minus longitude of sun, okay, that will give us a difference, and that difference divided by moon, this 12, so that will give us about 16 plus something, that means 17th tithi. That means 15 minus 17 means this is the second or Dutiya of dark half is running. So in this way we calculate Tithi. So calculation of Tithi is over. Now let me take other type of Tithis. Now these Tithis are divided into type of Tithis. As I have talked about what is the Nanda Tithi. Nanda Tithi. Nanda Tithi, if I just take 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, then 6, 7, 8, 9 and 10, then 11, 12, 13, 14, 15 or this is 30th one, 15th or 30th. Right, now this is of both bright half and dark half. This is of bright and dark. Bright half and dark half of both. So first Tithi of bright half, first Tithi of dark half, sixth Tithi of or Sashti of bright half and dark half, and 11th Tithi means Ekadashi, Ekadashi of bright half and dark half both. This is how these divided into 5 categories. So this is Nanda Tithi, then is Bhadra Tithi, Bhadra Tithi, sorry. This is Bhadra Tithi, Bhadra Tithi, right? And third type is Jaya Tithi, Jaya Tithi, 3, 8 and 11, or sorry 13. They are known as Jaya Tithi. This 13, 3, 8, 13. And second, 7 and 12. First, 6th and 11. Ekadashi, Ekadashi, Sashti and Pratipada or Prathama. These three are known as Nanda Tithi, Nanda Tithi. Okay. And second is Bhadra Tithi, Jaya Tithi, 3, 8 and 11. And then Rikta Tithi, Rikta or Rikta Tithi or Rikta Tithi, 4, 9 and 14. 4, 9 and 14. Let me write here like this. So 4, 9 and 14, they are Rikta Tithi. Okay, then Purna Tithi, Purna Tithi or complete Tithi. This is 5th one, 10th one, 15th or 30th one. 30th in case of dark half, and 15th one or Purnima is in case of bright half, right? So these 5 categories are there. So this is triad. Triad means group of 3. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. This first triad, second triad, third triad, first, fifth, fourth one, fifth one. These are triad. Okay. Now if I take first 5 Tithis, okay, in case of election of auspicious time or Muhurta, when we decide about Muhurta, then what about these Tithis? Which Tithis are auspicious one, which Tithis are not auspicious one? That I have to just talk about. So the first 5 Tithis, okay, this first 5 Tithis, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 of bright half, they are not so auspicious one, because they are, okay, we may say that they are limited to degree or lesser degrees of very less degree of moon. Okay, so it's not considered good for in case of auspicious selection. When we decide about the Muhurta, then 1 to 5, they are of not average one but lesser importance or of less importance. Okay, they are of less importance. Okay, and these 6 to 10 of average importance or medium importance. And from 11 to 15, they are considered as 11 to 15. They are of we may say that of important or important one, this is medium one, this is of higher important one, or because the 11 to 15 in case of bright half, they are just having more degrees, okay, more degrees, or they are having brighter half, okay, they are considered good. 11 to 15 in case of bright half. But in case of dark half, this first to 5, 1 to 5 means just going towards sun, means it is near to Amavasya, this Purnamasi, from Purnamasi to 5th day up to 5th one, considered a very important one. Because in case of dark half, just think about that, in case of dark half, 1 to 5 is of more important one, or they are auspicious one. In dark half or in Krishna Paksha, 1 to 5 Tithis, or Prathama to or Pratipada to Panchami, they are considered good one. Why? So they are still having some light or some important, they are away from sun, still they are away from sun. The difference of angle between moon and sun is still having some strength or some more degree of moon. Okay, so from 1st to 5 in case of dark half or in case of Krishna Paksha, considered good Tithis, or they are auspicious one. Suppose a person has to select some auspicious time of construction, auspicious time of studying, auspicious time of going away, okay, or running, or whatever time. So auspicious time selection at any moment, or any to do something, to select to work or do something. Okay, so in that situation, if there is a dark half or Krishna Paksha, so 1st to 5 Tithis are considered good or better one. Most important one means best one in case of dark half, 1st to 5. But from 6 to 11, so 6 to 10 in case of dark half are very less important or of medium importance, or means not so good one. And the last one up to the 30th one, okay, from 11 to 15 or 30th one, means Ekadasi to of dark half, are of less importance or least importance, right? Or not, so they are worst one. They are not selected as, not considered good for starting any work. So in case of Muhurta selection, we will talk about Muhurta, what is Muhurta, auspicious day, that because that selection of auspicious time, and this is also a part of astrology or horary astrology, that means horary astrology or Hora Sastram. Okay, so horary astrology, or asking questions, importance of any date or something. So selection of this Muhurta selection, or selection of a Tithi, appropriate Tithi, which Tithi is better one. So in case of bright half, the last Tithi is 11 to 15. Why? Because they are having more degrees. In case of dark half, considered better one or best one. So best auspicious thing is 11 to 15 in case of bright half, because they are just going to be maximum difference of moon's longitude from sun's longitude, or they are still away from sun. Okay, they are most away from sun, not affected by sun, because they are nearer to 180 degree, as I told you, up to 180 degree, 150 degree to 180 degree about. Okay, so because they are 11 to 15 degree, up to 11 to 15th day, 11th day Ekadasi to Purnamasi. This is just away from sun, very much away from sun. So that Tithi is considered auspicious one, not afflicted by sun, but moon is more brighter one, or having more degrees, or okay, so because of that 11 to 15 in case of bright half is considered better one or best one. This is important thing. Okay, we have just considered how these Tithis are considered or important one. In case of bright half or mystical Paksha and Krishna Paksha, these two things are to be considered. Okay, if I select auspicious time, auspicious day, so in case of bright half, the first 1 to 5 Tithis are not better one, because still it is gaining, or it is still nearer to sun. Okay, moving away from Amavasya, 30th day to next day. Shukla Paksha has started from Pratipada, first day to fifth one. It is still nearer sun because it is nearer Amavasya. Going away from Amavasya means starting in the bright half. Okay, so from 1 to 5. So we can just say that 5 degree, okay, 5 degree or near Amavasya. We can say just near Amavasya, 5 degree before Amavasya, before 30th day, and 5 degree away from Amavasya. Just think like this. Let's suppose this is 30th day or Amavasya. This is full moon day, Amavasya. This is Amavasya or new moon day. New moon day, Amavasya, 30th day. So 5 Tithis before it means 11 to 15. 11 to 15. Okay, 11 to 15, the last one. Because then this is Amavasya, 30th one. Okay, we can just talk about this is 30th one, Amavasya. So Amavasya 5 degrees away from this. Because 5 degrees away from this, 30th Amavasya is, or this is darker half. Okay, so next 5 degrees. Next 5 degrees are not good. Because from 5 degree, or we can say that Amavasya 5 degrees away from Amavasya, good, considered good, because still they are having some strength. Okay, from Amavasya. Alright, because then it will become deeper or nearer sun. 5 degrees away from Amavasya, or means starting from 30th day, this 30th day 1 to 5, because it is now Shukla Paksha has started. Because from 30th Amavasya, Shukla Paksha has started. This Shukla Paksha has started, these 5 days are still not considered good. So 5 Tithis before 30th day and 5 Tithis away from this Amavasya, not considered good. Okay, they are not considered good. But near Purnamasi, 5 Tithis from near Purnamasi, so Purnamasi, this is the 15th one. From 15th Tithi, because from 15th Tithi of full moon day, so if I take full moon day, so from full moon to 5 day next, that means now Krishna Paksha has started. Krishna Paksha, first day of dark half has started. So from 15th day of Purnima, or from 15th day or Purnamasi day or Purnima day, 5 Tithi before, or this including this 15th one, and 4 Tithi next means 5 Tithi next, 1 to 5 of dark half are considered good. So these 10 days, what 10 days? 11th up to 15th and first of this dark half. So nearer, so we can just take these 10 days nearer Purnima, nearer full moon. This is full moon or Purnima. So 5 days before means 11, 12, 13, 14, 15th. And next 5 days of dark half, 1 to 5, or Pratipada to Pancham. So these 10 days are considered auspicious one, good one for selection of Muhurta. This is how Vedic astrology said. Why? Simple thing, because it's having more degrees. Is still away from sun. Okay, not affected by sun. Because up to 15th one, it is full moon day. Moon is bright or is bright, completely bright, or full moon day. Okay, completely bright. So this is still away from sun. Okay, that means and up to the next 5 days, 5 Tithis of dark half. Why dark half? Because in the dark half, 1 to 5, 1 to Panchami or Pratipada to Panchami, in the dark half, is this still considered good? Because after that, its degrees are nearer to sun, or moon is moving towards sun. Moving towards sun means it is afflicted one. So moon is afflicted after 6 to that means average afflicted, worst afflicted. Up to 30th one, this 30th one, or when this new moon time is there. So new moon time is 5 days before, 5 days after this Amavasya, not considered good. Because from 11th to 14th and 30th one. of dark half, best one. The next 5 days of Shukla Paksha started, because bright half has started this first 5 parts. These 5 parts of Shukla Paksha not considered good. Simple one. Logic is because the degree wise it's very is nearer to sun, we can say, or first this to this, but not dark. This in case of bright half. In case of bright half, this 1 to 5, because is still nearer the moon. When bright half started, that moon is going away from sun, from Amavasya. Then Amavasya means the 30th day is completed. That is new moon day. From new moon day, next Shukla Paksha starts. Shukla Paksha will start means first day, first to 5. These 5 tithis, Pratipada to Panchami of bright half, not considered good. They are not auspicious, of less importance, and then medium importance, and then and the next one is good or best one, 11 to 15 of bright half, and 1 to 5 of dark half, best. 11 to 15 of bright half, and 1 to 5, Prathima to or Pratipada to Panchami of dark half I'm talking about. So dark half, first 5 tithis of dark half are best one in case of Krishna Paksha, and the last 5 tithis of bright half are considered best one for selection or for Muhurta purpose. Muhurta purpose means for selection of election of auspicious time when we are going to start something. So 11 to 15 of bright half and 1 to 5 of dark half. So these 10 tithis, or we can say 9 tithis, because 4 before and 15th including and 5 next of dark half. These are 9 tithis total. These 9 tithis are good, auspicious one country, because they are just away from sun. 5, these 11 to 15 of bright half, and first 5 of dark half, good. And then those 10 tithis, 1 to 10 of, we can say, 6 to 30th one. Sasti, Saptami, Ashtami, Navami, Dashmi, Ekadasi, Dwasi of dark half, not considered good. So these 10 tithis of dark half, not good. Of medium importance means lesser importance, or first was good, less importance, and least importance, last one. So this is how they are divided, and this is based on degree or longitude of the planets. And moon's position is away from sun, good, considered good. Is nearer sun or going towards sun, that is not good, because it's afflicted one. So moon will be afflicted by sun's rays and this and that. So because of that, and this is very important one. If we have not understood, then try to understand this. Let me again talk about this. What is, so first to, let me take 11 to 15 of bright half, and 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5 of dark half. This is of bright half, and this is of dark half. First 5 tithis of dark half still can be considered as good in case of Krishna Paksha, when suppose person has nothing to do, but he has to select some auspicious time. Then first to 5 tithis of dark or Krishna Paksha are considered good. Not best one, but still good. Then further it decreases in importance from 6 to 10, then 11 to 30th one, 11, 14 means 20, may say 29th day and then 30th day or Amavasya time, not considered good. They are least one. So 5 tithis of dark half and last 5 tithis of bright half, best one, considered good. In case of bright half or Shukla Paksha, last 5 tithis are best. In case of dark Paksha or Krishna Paksha, first 5 tithis are best one. Simple. Why? Because they are still having some strength. These 5 tithis in dark half or in Krishna Paksha is still having some strength because they are away from sun. Still they are away from sun, but now their moon is moving towards sun. Then after 6th and up to 14th and 30th one, it will diminish in importance. So they are not considered auspicious in case of selection of important time or auspicious time. That is known as Muhurta selection. So that is okay. Another thing we will talk about when Muhurta, auspicious time, how it is selected, what are the important tithis, important days, etc. Now combination of days and tithis, that is also considered in case of selection of tithis. They say 13th tithi, total 13 day and tithis are selection. Suppose 12th or Dwadasi plus Pratipada. So Dwadasi of dark half or Pratipada means first day. Suppose Monday. Monday is the first day. So first day and Dwadasi, total sum is days by 12 plus 1, 13. So some says that 13th day is not considered good in case of selection of the day, combination of day and tithi. So this is how the people, the numerology people, they think about. But that I do not consider. Whatever the person's, if strength is there in the horoscope, then selection of what you call auspicious time is going to be considered better one according to the horoscope of a person. In the person's horoscope, strength is there, then auspicious time can be selected according to the horoscope of a person. But this 13, this and this combination of day and this var on tithi, tithi and var both are selected together. Some people select them together. So the day, if total day is 13, some 12th day for example, or 11th day and two more, means Tutiya and Ekadasi. Some of these two, second day means Tuesday. Second day, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, like this. Okay. If I consider Sunday as the first day, Sunday to Saturday, or if I take Monday to Sunday as 7 days, first day, second day, like that. So in this way, combination of, in case of Muhurta selection, we'll talk about how combination of Tithi and Var, they are being considered. Okay, and combination of Tithi, Var, Nakshatra, everything is there. So Nakshatra is considered in case of horoscope of a person. Okay, that is how auspicious time or Muhurta selection is being done. Okay, so that is now what are the Tithi, Nanda Tithi, Bhadra Tithi. Now this Bhadra Tithi, 2, 7, 12. Now these considered in case of this auspicious days, not good days or this and that. So what is Jaya Tithi? Importance of these Tithi, Nanda Tithi, Bhadra Tithi, what is Jaya Tithi, Rikta Tithi and Purna Tithi. Now this Rikta Tithi, 4, 9 and 14, not considered good one. They say that in case of selection of the what you call auspicious time and this and that, so this Rikta Tithi, not, they are Rikta, name says Rikta, not they are not considered good auspicious one. But this Jaya Tithi for victorious purposes. Suppose a person has to choose a game or something. This Jaya Tithi, Jaya means person will get victory. This Jaya Tithi are considered auspicious one in case of selection of game or this and that, winning a game or anything. This is how Jaya Tithi means. Bhadra Tithi, auspicious time selection, Bhadra. Bhadra Tithi or auspicious time is selected, then Bhadra Tithi is selected. So 2nd, 7 or 12, these Tithi are known as Bhadra Tithi. So these Bhadra Tithi, name suggests that how these Tithi are being considered. That we will take in case of selection of Muhurta, auspicious time and that and that. Okay, then let's get Bhadra Tithi. Nanda Tithi. Again, Nanda Tithi is also auspicious. Nanda means auspicious one. Whenever we are just what you call name selection of a boy or child born. Okay, so that is okay. Name selection. Nanda Tithi is being considered auspicious one in case of inauguration of something, inauguration of a house and this and that. This Nanda Tithi are considered good and that. Okay, so these names are being okay decided about. The names suggest about the Tithis, how Tithis are good or bad. Okay, so that is also being considered in case of auspicious time. So we will take them separately. But what is Tithi? That I have just talked about. Now what are the Tithi Brati? Okay, and what is this Chaititi? Okay, Tithi Gandant. These three things I am going to talk about now. Okay, so the three things I have talked about. First, how to calculate a Tithi. First to 30 I talked about. Then I have talked about the type of the Tithis, Nanda Tithi, Bhadra Tithi, Jaya Tithi, Rikta Tithi, and fifth one is what you call